Hey guys, coming to you real quick. Just wanted to let you know that the 30-day Fat Furnace program is in full effect. Basically, we have limited spots. I opened it up for 8 people, and 5 people have already signed up, so there'll be about 3 spots left. But I know in my last video I said that I'm going to keep you updated on all the specials, programs, and things that we're doing down there at the boot camp. So this is just my personal invite to you. You know, kind of check out the link. Go to the Jay's Fitness boot camp page, and you can kind of be updated on all those things related to it on there. Or you could just call me. My number will be at the end of this video. And if you feel the urge to register, just follow the website at the end of the video, and you know, click down there at the bottom, find the program, and come check it out for yourself. We start on Monday. I think that's March 7th. So see you soon. Bye.
Shoulder squats, shoulder width.
Am I doing this wrong?
You're good. You're good. Keep going, Sue. You can see the other half. Everybody's over there. Everything. Keep going, Sue. I'm timing you off of this camera. See them over there. Got the weights in hand. See everybody working it.
There are 10s here, and I got 10s here if you guys want the 10.
Keep going.
It does good.
Good. Well, right here is good. Sue, right here is good. Once you get it right there, that's cool.
Yeah, I'll say go down.
Something right there working it too. There, here you go. You kind of see everybody over here doing their thing. Doing Russian twist over there. Doing some lunges over there. Doing some lunges over there. Keep it up, Naomi. You got it. Come on. You can see some guys over here doing some of those, and you can see the push-up over here. Just like that. It's good stuff. You can see a plank hold here.
Pressing. Try not to touch hands though. Separate. There you go. In and out. Keep the elbows in. Elbows in.
30?
You still want them legs airborne on this?
Yeah. Keep the
Legs airborne if you can, guys.
If you can, it is optional though. It is optional.
And then after that, what do we do?
Palms in. Come straight down. Go down, bro.
And just straight up?
Yeah. Straight up and down. Keep the palms facing up.